ASUS DialPad is a completely new feature on selected ASUS Creator laptops that lets you interact with creative apps in the most natural and immersive way possible. ASUS DialPad is a virtual version of ASUS Dial, the physical rotary controller on Studiobook laptops. ASUS DialPad is available on Vivobook Pro 14X and 16X laptops, and it gives you precise and intuitive parameter control in creative apps such as Adobe Photoshop. With ASUS DialPad, you can easily change brush size, change saturation, adjust layer opacity, rapidly undo actions, and much more. You can also adjust screen brightness and volume, or vertical scroll to make your creative workflow smoother. ASUS DialPad currently works with Adobe Creative Apps. In Photoshop, you can modify the brushes and switch between layers, enhancing your work in the most intuitive way. For Lightroom Classic, it's simple to adjust the color balance and tone to get the best out of your photos. Working in Premiere Pro, you can jog through the scenes, quickly adjust audio tracks, and enjoy seamless video editing. For After Effects, you can navigate the timeline and zoom in. It's never been easier to add special effects. It's also fully customizable, and we're working with software developers to introduce additional compatible apps. In this video, we'll guide you through customizing ASUS DialPad to work with Photoshop, to show you how it can level up your creative workflow. First, tap to open the ProArt Creator Hub app. You'll see the menu on the left. Click on Control Settings from the menu and select the ASUS Dial radio button. You can also switch to a Microsoft wheel device, such as a mouse wheel, by clicking the corresponding radio button. There are two kinds of settings. Common function settings control system-wide functions, and there are also settings for individual Adobe apps. Next, use the drop-down box to pick the Adobe app you want to use with ASUS DialPad. For this tutorial, we'll use Photoshop. Now you can start adding your own favorite functions by tapping the Add Group and Add Function button for each Adobe app. There are more than 60 available functions to allow you to optimize your workflow. For example, in Photoshop, you can add brush-related functions into the same group, such as brush size, brush hardness, and brush opacity. You can also add single functions separately, like layer zoom, undo, or cycle through documents. You can also edit the sequence of each function to better fit your own creative workflow. Once you've completed editing your own ASUS DialPad functions for your chosen app, tap Save and Apply. The ASUS DialPad overlay will immediately appear on the screen when you start moving ASUS DialPad, showing the customized functions you set for Adobe Photoshop. Enjoy the improved productivity and let your creativity flow. Treat your hands to ASUS DialPad today.